Gotta run again. Cheshire County this time.
Thunderstorm warning for Cheshire County in southern New Hampshire until 5:45 p.m. At 4:57 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Alsted to near Hinsdale, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard.
Also, let me just say, I hate that new logo.
Source, radar
I don't hate it more than most of the things, but I don't like it.
Wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Keene, Jaffrey, Peterborough, Winchester, Antrim, Dublin, Richmond, Harrisville, Nelson, Gilsum, Marlborough, Ridge, Walpole, Alsted, Westmoreland, Swansea, Marlow, Hinsdale, Roxbury, and Fitzwilliam. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following county: Cheshire, New Hampshire.
Service and installation for home